to my channel. My name is Andrea and you're watching Andie TV. In today's video, I'm giving myself curtain bangs that I wanted for a really long time. And you know what? I say, wait no more. This is not a tutorial. This is just me cutting my curtain bangs with you watching me cutting curtain bangs. I hope they come out. No, they'll be fine. It'll come out fine. So, how am I gonna do this? Okay. Whoa. I have a comb. I have my shears. These bad boys. And I'm gonna start off with just sectioning what I'm going to cut. Like, this should come out okay. I mean, it's only hair, it'll grow back. Oh my god! I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Okay. So, let me see what we're looking. Yeah, these are super long. Okay, these are my face trimming layers that are very grown out. So I'm thinking that I want to cut like, oh my god, like this much off. Might be a lot to some, might not be that much to others, but I'm just gonna do it. Please work. Please work. Okay, I'm gonna spray these a little bit. Oh my god. That is not the most even sectioning, but it's fine. We're just gonna, I mean, it'll grow. Doesn't have to be, for me, it does not have to be like super perfect, so it's all good. Okay. Dampen that a little bit. Spray you a little bit more. Spray yourself in the face while you're at it too. Okay. That is good enough. Just gonna start off just to get this off. I'm gonna start by cutting this off right here and then just kind of angling them a little bit, and I'm just gonna go from there. Oh my god! I just went for it, didn't I? Yes! Okay, that is very blunt and it's straight across, but it's fine because I'm gonna angle it and then it'll look better. Wow! That's a little short. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this, I'm gonna do one side at a time, obviously. So bring this to this side and kind of point cut. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off, it's at an angle right now with my fingers, and I'm gonna cut off that right there, point cut it a little bit. And it'll be, it's gonna look better than that, I promise, but that's just to start. Okay. Do the same thing with the other side. Just bring it to an angle. They're both angled-ish. Just gonna bring this up a little bit more. I'm pretty much just gonna mess with them until they look okay. Like I said, this is not a tutorial, so like, don't follow me doing this. Like, have someone do it for you. So this is what we are working with right now. And I'm just gonna take that and point cut into it a little bit. Okay, that's fine. Bring to the side. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, there's so much hair on the floor. Make sure these bad boys are even. Okay, this one's a little bit too long. Here we go. And I see exactly where I need to cut. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do now is like round brush these bad boys and texturize them, play with them until they, you know, look good. Okay, got my round brush. This is how I'm gonna blow dry them though. This is how I would blow dry someone's front fringe. Okay. Okay, so once I am blow dried, I'm just gonna see what these babies look like. Oh, wow, wow. Oh, they look so pretty. Oh my God. I almost thought this was gonna be a fail, but we did it. Wow. Oh my God. Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down. What I am gonna do, just because my hair is so freaking thick, is texturize them a little bit more. See how like, it's just heavy. My hair is heavy. I know it looks choppy. It's fine though, because I have a crap ton of hair. So pretty. Okay, you do not belong. Go away, go away. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna take the iron and like lightly just curl them back, you know? Do the same thing to this side. Not really like curling, I'm just kind of like, you know. Do you know? Making them go back. Wait, one more thing, hold. Just putting a little oomph at the end of them. I'm just going to hairspray my freaking baby hairs. Hold on, I need more hairspray. All right, I'm gonna play with it. See how they look. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's video. Again, this is not a tutorial. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.